Welcome to USMLE SARTI. We are committed to empowering IMGs. We're excited to guide you on your match journey. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get notified whenever we add new content. Also, follow us on Instagram and Twitter for the latest tips and tricks regarding everything USMLE. Now, let's dive into it.
What's up everyone? Hope everything is going great. If not, it will be, don't worry. This Saad to pass. Myself Abhishek Thapa, I'm an IMG from Nepal applying this region. So today I want to talk about the rotations that I did with Dr. Saad. In short, it was really good and splendid experience. The things I did, got a chance to do in the rotation was, first of all, you get to use the EMR system. You have that access, so no words to say how it was. Number two, you have to take the full history, explain it to providers, discuss what you want to do with the plans and all. So it was good, yeah. And the last thing is Dr. Saad, Dr. Mike, all of the providers there, all the senior interns that were there when I did the rotation, and the assistants there, they were really helpful. They would give you any feedbacks that you wanted. They would answer all the questions that you had. And yes, on average I gotta see around 15-16 patients per day, which was, I think, okay, despite being this far. And the timing of the duty was from 8:30 a.m. to around 4 to 5 p.m. their time, US time, but in my it would be around 6 to 7 p.m. to morning 3 to 5 a.m. whole night I had to sit here. But those times, really, that was worth it because I learned a lot of stuff. I never say that, I didn't sleep whole night, what am I gonna do? No, absolutely not, because the experience that I got through this rotation is beyond imagination to say. So I want to thank the SART team and the Dr. Saad for this opportunity. Oh yes, the thing that I did to get the 15-16 patient per day was when the assistant would bring the patient inside the room, I would tell them, hey, can you please give me more patients than others so that I can get to see more patients? And yeah, they would do so, and that way I gotta see more patients. So it's your way, you can do whatever you want, but to learn you have to see more patients, right? The more you do, the more you learn. That's what it is. That is what life is. So keep hustling everyone, keep working hard. See you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that video provided valuable insights for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And check out our website for details on how we can guide you to a successful match.